Hey guys, it's Jon and Morgan with Longhaul Lifesavers, and welcome to another episode of Finally Friday.
Woohoo! We made it to the weekend. Alright guys, so this week we are going to just have a short little Finally Friday for you, because the last 3 weeks I think we've had like 30+ minute long vlogs, and I don't want to do that to y'all, so we're just going to update you.
And really these weren't meant to be like long rants that they've turned into. There was just little short clips of our life and what we're doing.
Sometimes
here's your short clip.
People get carried away.
Listen, Linda. Okay, as you can see, we have a new change of scenery. We are shooting outside.
Yeah.
I think this is like the first time we've ever done a vlog outside.
No, we did the hike one when I fell down, remember?
But that wasn't a Finally Friday.
Yes, it was.
Was it?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, I don't
know. We called it a fall to remember.
Yeah. It looks really dark though.
Well, it is. It's 4:30, so it's almost dark. We made it to Alabama. We made it to the RV park. The RV park is very nice. We do like it a lot. Unfortunately, it is smack dab in the hood.
Yeah, the first night we got here, we got woken up 4 separate times for gunshots. So that's always fun. It's never as fun when all you do is hear them, but you don't get to send anything back. It's not as fun.
Did you? I don't know if you did this, but when I'm laying in the bed and I'm woken up by the gunshots, I did like the tuck. Like that was gonna somehow
like
protect. Yeah, like that was somehow gonna protect me.
Make yourself small.
Yeah. So, but you know, our bed's right above the propane tank, so that would be a really interesting explosion, wouldn't it?
So we haven't been too impressed with Montgomery. It is, I guess, trashy, and that's in the most literal sense of the word.
It's just garbage everywhere.
There's garbage and trash. I mean, people just litter everywhere. We'll be sitting at a stoplight and you can see like count 3 people around you that all threw something out of their car.
Like when we went and got Chinese food the first night we were here, because that's our tradition, is Chinese food the first night. And when we were in the drive-thru to get Chinese food, the lady in front of us just rolled her window down and just threw a pop bottle right out the window. And it's like, pick up your garbage. It's literally, it's literally trashy.
It's very trashy. There's litter all over the side of the road and a lot of homeless.
Yes.
There's like one little pocket of a decent area of town that we've seen.
There's still garbage.
Yeah, it's still pretty
I just
trashy.
don't understand. The rest of the country does not litter this way. I don't know. And by no means are we like environmental people by anything, but I at least don't throw my trash out. Yeah, I don't know. It's weird.
Have some pride.
It's really weird. And the driving here,
yeah,
we want to give an award out.
Yeah.
We have changed our minds on worst drivers in the country.
Yes.
In Montgomery, you pulled
You're number
through.
1. Yep. Way to go on being so crappy of drivers. They're horrible. I mean, yeah,
it's scary.
It's bad.
Yeah, it's really scary.
You used to think Texas drivers were bad. Which one do you think's worse now?
Oh no, Montgomery drivers are way worse than Texas drivers. Texas is just fast.
Yeah.
That's all. But here they don't look, they're fast. There's no such thing as turn signal. Don't you dare stop at a stop sign.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a little different.
We were on, there's like a roundabout thing to get onto the highway, and there's like white pylons all the way down it, and we saw someone from the left lane cut across, take out the white pylons,
and just keep going.
And then just keep going to get onto the highway. It's like...
But like every turn lane here has those, like, you know, the little white sticks. Like what are they're pylons technically? Yeah.
Are you embarrassed?
No.
Because there's somebody walking?
No, I just didn't want them to be in the video. So yeah, I've noticed that they have those little white pylons at like every single intersection.
It doesn't matter. People just run them over and keep going.
I know. Maybe if they put concrete ones up, people might stop.
The hospital has been pretty decent so far. Granted, I've only been there for 3 or 4 days, so we'll see how that goes.
You have come home every single night talking well about people. Like, you've liked the people here.
Yeah.
So that's always a good sign for me when his first week he comes home and he's like telling me about people, because that means he likes the facility. So
give it time.
No, but I'm glad, because I feel like you had a little bit of a stretch there where things were not always fun to go to work. So I'm hoping that it's more fun for you.
So eventually we are going to be moving RV parks. Now, there's nothing wrong with the RV park that we're in right now. It's just, like we said, there's one little isolated pocket of all the stores and everything's nice, and literally if we want to go to the grocery store, we have to drive all the way up there, and it's like 30 minutes away. So we are going to move a little closer to where my hospital is and all the shops and everything are. So
and it'll get you about 12 minutes closer.
Yeah.
So I mean, that's 24 minutes a day. That's a lot of time,
That's a lot of time.
extra to shave off. So, because like right now we're only 11 miles from the hospital, but it takes him over 30 minutes to get there. Which, if you think about it, to add, you have a 12-hour day already if you get out on time, and then add an extra hour of driving a day. It's a lot.
Had a lot of fun playing with our drone.
And Jon kind of teased the dogs a little bit, so this is what we're showing you now.
We're trying to figure out, for some reason, our computer won't let us pull anything from the files over to the computer.
No, the drone footage I can.
Oh, the drone footage you can't. So it's weird that, I don't know.
Yeah. But only sometimes. It's
Yeah.
odd. I don't know. I think DJI has something specific with Mac that they work well together, and DJI and Windows do not work well together. So.
And that's what a lot of the DJI, the maker of our drone, that's what a lot of the forums are saying. Do you want to tell them what we just got?
Oh, if you can all remember way back, I'll put the video here for you. Mac versus Windows.
Yep.
Guess who was right? We just bought another Mac.
Yeah. So we sold our old MacBook Pro laptop.
Which was the brand new one.
Which was relatively new, but it had a small processor and it had low RAM for memory. And what we got was the Mac Mini with the Apple chip, so it's supposed to be a lot faster and all the fun stuff. Whatever, we'll find out. If it's not faster, then we have 30 days to return it and we'll get the bigger one.
It better work. That's all I can say.
Yeah.
Because I'm about tired of pushing computers.
Windows has been giving us a lot of issues in the past.
With the editing.
Here recently.
Yeah, it does not like editing software at all. I know so many people use Windows for editing, but we're just...
It's not working for us.
The computer just can't handle it.
And it's especially difficult when, like, our phones are Apple and a lot of our stuff is Apple. So trying to get it to connect and talk with Windows is difficult. So now it's going to be, like, if we shoot a video on our phone, we're going to be able to airdrop it and push one button and it goes to the computer. I'm eating my crow right now.
Okay, so I have to tell you all about our first incident with the drone.
It was perfect.
He flew it once, and then I flew it, and then he flew it again, and that was in a field. And then he said, oh, we should fly it over water now. And I said, are you sure? Oh, yeah, it's good. So we took it and flew it over the water, which he was doing great. And he kept going back and forth past these geese and kept getting closer and closer and closer. And I said, don't mess with that goose. If that comes out of the water, it's going to get that drone. And he said, no, it's fine. Well, sure enough, the goose lifted out of the water to try and grab it, and he panicked, and the joystick is the opposite, so he went down instead of up, and the goose almost got the drone. So it would have been, you would not have gotten another drone after that.
No.
But we've really enjoyed the RV park here. We haven't met any of our neighbors. They're never home. Nobody's ever home here in this park. So it's really quiet.
It's really quiet and really dark.
Minus the gunshots, it's very quiet.
Yeah. Speaking of gunshots, we are going to have a few gun pew-pew related videos coming out here soon. So I know a lot of you have been asking, I thought this was a gun channel, or when's your next gun video, and all that kind of stuff.
Well, first of all, it is not a gun channel. We're sprinkling it in.
Yeah, it's just getting bedazzled in there.
It's getting bedazzled.
Yeah. So there are going to be a couple coming your way, so stay tuned for those. Then we also have a couple videos where we did a collab with Johnny's Journey. That one should be coming out soon. I think we're still in the editing process on that one. Wanted to do a big shout out and congratulations to HappilyEverHanks. Congratulations, you've reached your 1,000 subscribers. Actually 1,000 and plus now.
I haven't looked today to see where they're at, but congratulations.
Yeah. So if you haven't checked them out, we'll drop a link in the description below. Make sure and head on over there and watch some of their videos, because now all they're waiting on is the watchtowers, and they should be monetized. So congratulations, guys. That's awesome. All right, guys, that's going to be it for today's episode. Thanks for watching. Until next time, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and then head on over to Instagram and follow us at Longhaul Lifesavers. See you guys.
Bye.
Dunzo.